Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the short answer type questions of the second chapter, microorganisms. So, question number 1: what is microscope? What does it help us to view? Answer of this question is written in keywords. Go to keywords. Microscope. An instruments that makes use of lens to make smaller objects appear larger is called microscope. And what does it helps to view? It helps to view the tiny organism. It helps to view tiny organism. Now question number second. Good. Question number second. What are microorganisms? Name 5 major groups of microbes. What are microorganisms? So answer of this question you will find in the keywords microorganism. Microorganism. Organisms that are visible only through a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. Their 5 groups are bacteria, protozoa, alga, fungi and viruses. This is the answer of second question. Now question number third. Where do fungi derive their nutrition from? Where do fungi derive their nutrition from? The fungi derive their nutrition from dead and decaying matters. Fungi derive their nutrition from dead and decaying matters. Now question number 4. What is virus? Give 2 examples of viruses. What is virus? Give 2 examples of viruses. To find the answer of this question, go to page number 28. Page number 28. This is the page number 28. Virus. Viruses are so small that they cannot be seen using ordinary compound microscope. They are usually studied with the help of powerful microbes. They are called microbes. Microscope called electron microscope. From this point, viruses from this point to this point. This is the answer of your fourth question. Now next, question number 5. Question number 5. What is an antibiotic? What is an antibiotic? What is antibiotic? Question. Go to page number 30. Go to page number 30. Antibiotics. Certain bacteria and fungi are used in the production of the medicines called antibiotics. They destroy certain diseases causing microbes. From this point, medicine that destroy certain diseases causing microbes are called antibiotics. Medicine that destroy certain disease causing microbes are called antibiotics. From this point to this point, medicine that from here, medicine that destroy certain disease causing microbes are called antibiotics. Question number 6. What is a vaccine? Name 2 diseases that can be prevented by vaccine. What is vaccine? Name 2 diseases that can be prevented by vaccine. Question number 6. Go to page number 30. Vaccines. A vaccine A vaccine is a preparation of killed or weakened disease causing microbes. A vaccine is a preparation of killed or weakened disease causing microbes. From this point to this point. And the example of two vaccines which are the example of two disease which are prevented by vaccine are polio and smallpox. Polio and smallpox. These are two diseases which are cured by the vaccines, polio and smallpox. Now next, question number 7. What is nitrogen fixation? What is nitrogen fixation? For this question, go to page number 31. Page number 31. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. From this point to this point. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which free atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compound. In nature, nitrogen is fixed during lightning or by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green alga. From here to here. This is the answer of 7th question. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. What are pathogens? How do they get spread? How do they get spread? Answer of this question, go to page number 32. Page number 32. Pathogens. Disease causing microorganisms. Microorganisms that cause disease in human beings, animals and plants are called pathogens. From this point to this point. This is the answer of 8th question. And how do they get spread? So they get spread through air, water and food. They get spread through air, water and food. They get spread through air, water and food. Now next question. Question number 9. What are communicable diseases? Give 2 examples of communicable diseases. Question number 9. What are communicable disease? Give 2 examples of communicable disease. For this question, you will get the answer in page number 33 and 34. 33 and 34. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. Diseases that can be spread from one person to another are called communicable disease. From this point to this point. This is the communicable disease. This is the answer of communicable disease. And in question number 4, diseases. Give 2 examples of communicable diseases. 2 examples of communicable diseases in animals. So 2 examples of communicable diseases in animals: foot and mouth disease in animals, and anthrax. Foot and animal disease, anthrax and anthrax. Foot and this one. This is the example of foot and mouth disease and anthrax. These are 2 examples which are the disease causing microbes in animals. Now next question. Question number 10. Define food preservation. Name any 3 methods of the food preservation. Define food preservation. Name any 3 methods of food preservation. For this question, go to page number 35. Page number 35. Food preservation. Food preservation. What is food preservation? From this point, food preservation is a process of treating and handling food with an aim to stop or slow down its spoilage while maintaining its natural value, texture, and flavor. From this point, food, food preservation, food preservation to this is the answer of food preservation. And name any three method of food preservation. Name any three methods of the food preservations. Number 1, boiling. Number 2, dehydration. Number 3, refrigeration or freezing or canning. You can write any three of these food preservation methods. Boiling, dehydration, canning. You can write any three. This is all about the short answer type questions of the second chapter. Complete it in your notebooks.